Negative 7 plus 7 is just 0. So 0 times 6 over 7. 0 times 6 is just 0, and 0 over 7 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here in the numerator, first we have to do this multiplication, then this addition. If we do this addition before this multiplication, it is wrong, because in PEMDAS multiplication comes before addition. So first this multiplication, 7 times 6 gives us 42. So negative 7 plus 42 over 7. Negative 7 plus 42 gives us 35. So 35 over 7, which equals 5. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 5.